If you are in Gijón and looking for a different kind of outdoor experience, head to the Camocha Greenway. This 7-kilometre route follows the course of the former mining railway that once linked La Camocha mine with the locality of Veriña and the port of El Musel, one of the most important lines in central Asturias for shipping coal throughout much of the 20th century. Today, it is an ideal greenway to explore on foot or by bike. Along the route, you will pass through historic tunnels and bridges. On the way, you'll come across the Santa Barbara workers' neighbourhood in Tremañes, traditional farmsteads and manor houses, the Church of Leorio, and finally the tall headframes of the La Camocha mine, the last working operation in the municipality of Gijón. Explore the La Camocha Greenway and experience Gijón's mining heritage surrounded by nature.